Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys some other goodies. I've been showing you guys like the Ulta, the VIB. I am not stopping. These are just random things that I did want it to get and some other stuff that I wanted to try out because I've heard really good things about the brands. So I want to incorporate some of these products into my tutorials, my future tutorials. So I want to show you guys what I got. So I picked up the AOA Studio blending sponge. This is the Wonder Blender, but I call it Beauty Sponge. And I got two of them. The other one's right here, and it's almost kind of, well, not really. It's not that destroyed, but you see the little holes? My cat's got a hold of it. This is only $1. If you haven't heard about Shop Miss A, is everything $1. Sometimes they have stuff that's like $3 or $5, but most of it it's $1. And I purchased my jewelry from them, and everybody always asks me where I get it from. It's just $1. So I'm really happy that I picked up another one because my black one, I don't even know what happened to it. I was in New York and I lost it, I think. I'm not sure, but it's nowhere near here. I bought this limited edition bundle from Besame Cosmetics, and basically is like the Agent Carter collection. No lie, I've been so obsessed with that show. I'm so mad that they only made 2 seasons and they canceled it. I was so upset. Like that, I was that upset that I didn't want to watch the ending. Like that's how bad it was. Like I didn't want to watch it. I was gonna be sad. I know I was gonna be upset about it. They need to bring that show back. So I was like really intrigued with Besame and their whole line, just anything vintage and very like old school, and especially red lipsticks. I've been obsessed. So I had to get the Agent Carter collection. I'm not going to show it to you because I want to do a whole different video. So I did get this, and it was a bit pricey. It was like around $60 something, but I heard the quality is amazing. I showed it to you before, but I want to show it to you again what I got. This is the Palladio liquid lipsticks in collaboration with Holmes, and this is all 3 of them. And I got Georgia, I got Rescue, and I also got Obsessed. And everybody's been going crazy for this shade, so I have to incorporate this in a future video. So I got those, and they were only $10 each, which was pretty affordable. And I like Palladio. Like I have their lip liner. I'm going to show it to you right here. I have their lip liner. This one's in the shade Vermont, and this is a really good lip, I was going to say liquid lipstick. Lip pencil. I picked up some lashes from Shop Sophie Bella, and this is in the style Jamaica. I already have this, and I wanted to just get a backup of it, and you get like a free pair. It was like a sale, not a sale, but like a free item, a free pair of lashes into your order. So they gave me this style right here, and I think this one's I think Bali. I'm not too sure, but this is how the style is. Very simple, and is like short and then long, short and long. So I'm excited to try that. I got a few things from Beautylish.com, and I wanted to try most of these items out. So the first one is a moisturizer. I kind of used it up a little bit. This is the, I'm gonna try not to butcher this, Embryolist. I don't know. I know that's terrible how I'm going to buy something I can't pronounce. But I heard this moisturizer is really good, and I tried it a couple of times, and it leaves me really hydrated. I use this at night because it is a thick formula. So I use this at night, and then I wake up, my face is like so plump and smooth. So I'm definitely going to get the big size of it once I pronounce the name. I got a brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in a number 3. And it's just a simple brush, like an eyeliner brush. And the reason why I wanted to get this because I've been trying out a lot of eyeliner brushes, and I have tried the one from Sigma, from Coastal Scents, etc. So I wanted to try this one out because the way it's shaped, it will be great for my waterline when I do apply my Inglot gel liner. So I wanted to try that, and hopefully it'll work out for me. Another product that I did get is the Viseart editorial palette, and yeah, the editorial brights palette. And I swatched this. I'm going to show it to you here. I swatch it and the color payoff is amazing. It's so pigmented, so buttery and creamy, like the way it blends into the skin, and it just is amazing. I love this white shade that's here. It's so white. That white shadow is white. If you want a white, this is the perfect white shade. This red one right here, it did come out of the palette when I did get it, and it arrived to my house, so I had to kind of glue it back because I don't want to take them out. Like, I like it the way it is. So I wanted something that was like way more pigmented and a brand that I can trust, that I can really get like an actual color payoff. Like, if I want a purple, I want a purple. I want that punch of purple. And if I want a red, this is the red. And these don't blend into a different color. It doesn't fade. It doesn't like dust off somewhere, I don't know where, especially when you blend it onto your eyes. I don't like shadows that just like you put it on and it's gone. It's like once you blend it's gone. I don't like that. So this palette and this brand in particular, I trust and I love it. And I haven't tried the palette out just yet. I'm going to be doing a future makeup tutorials on this palette itself. I bought 2 eyeliner gels from Inglot. And I bought number 84, and it's a yellow eyeliner. I'm going to show it to you. Just like the black one, my number 77, just like that one. Oh, this one's hard to open. Okay, I was struggling there. So it does come sealed, which is awesome. And this is the yellow eyeliner. The reason why I picked up a yellow eyeliner because I have some looks in mind that I want to create, and also a wing liner, maybe like a yellow wing liner, something totally different. And I also got number 76, which is a white eyeliner. And I wanted a white one because sometimes when I use a white pencil, it does go on nicely, but I want something that's going to be like a punch of good white, like a pigmented opaque color. So this is the white one right here, and I can't wait to use it. I want to do a lot of different looks with this, like maybe something creative. I'm not sure, I'm thinking, but I have a lot going on in my mind that I want to put on video. So I have a lot of ideas. And also from Inglot, I've been loving the brand Inglot. And it's not because JLo's stuff is coming out. It's just I've always been a fan of Inglot for the longest. So they just have really good quality makeup. So I got this pigment in number 22. And I really like the color. It was so different from when I saw it online. With this pigment, you have to go into the store to look at it. It's a beautiful shade, but it's totally different from what I imagined. And I thought it was going to be more, I don't know, glitter, but it's more of a pigment, as they say. But online, it looked a little different. And just the color itself, the shade is beautiful. It's like this iridescent, like, mixture of like a purpley bronze. It's just beautiful. I like it. I want to do a makeup look with this as well. All of these I want to do a makeup look with. The last things that I did purchase are glitters from Lit Cosmetics, and I picked up 2 glitters because I heard this is a good brand as well. I've seen them on Instagram and they've been liking a couple of my photos. I didn't know who they were until I saw some tutorials. And I was like, ooh, I want to try that out. Okay, this is kind of like, ooh, okay, you see that? I hope you can see that. But that's like thick, chunky glitter right there. And then this one, it's more like that white, sparkly glitter. Can you see that? That's it right there. And when I did purchase everything from Beautylish, they threw in this It Cosmetics Superhero mascara, so hopefully this is great. That is it for my haul. I hope you enjoyed this little haul. It's really not that big like I did with the Sephora and the Ulta, but this is something that I wanted to get for the longest. And what's cool about Beautylish, if you haven't know, that Beautylish does like payment plans. So say for example, like you threw a lot of stuff in your cart and you can't afford it at the moment, they do have a payment plan that it's like a 3-month payment plan. You don't have to worry about breaking the bank. So you can just throw in like whatever they tell you to pay or how much, and then you keep doing that each month. I mean, I pay mine every 2 weeks, so it's not a problem for me. I don't like to drop a whole lot of money all at once, but the payment plan, which is really great, you know, you can do that and then still get the products that same time that you did purchase them and you did do the payment. You know, it's not like you wait 3 months to get it. You get it right then and then. So I just wanted to let you know about that. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below what you want to see from what I showed you or anything in general. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button so that way you can be notified when my video does go live. And also, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.